Hi everyone, collect some pine cones. We are going to make beautiful flowers out of it. Now color it. We are making blue colored flowers here. You can use whatever color you like and put all of them inside the vase and look how pretty it is looking. We are going to make a flower pot using this empty cup. So paste 2 cups together using hot glue gun. Then we are going to cover it using this jute rope. Cover both the cups and look, your stand is ready. We are also adding details like this. After this, paste flowers for more decorations. Make hole and look, your flower pot is ready. Let's make these mini flowers using plastic bottles. So cut this green bottle and cut a circle. Now we are going to make the petals. Give it shape using fire. Make more such petals and paste all of them inside this green stick like this. And look, your flower pot is ready with these green flowers. Look at this mini basket. Let's make it using this empty jar. We are going to draw the lines on it using marker. We are going to cut it later. Add more details like we are drawing these wavy lines on the top of it. Now using a cutter, we are going to make holes first and cut the lines like we are doing here according to the black lines like this. And look, your basket is ready. Then we are going to add more details like we are going to cut these bows and paste all of them and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.